This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Zacconi Riviera here. So this came in with just some leaking here at the bottom gasket and top gasket in the boiler. So what I did is I removed the entire boiler and replaced those gaskets. Here you can see a part of one of those breaks so easily. So those were just not able to make a watertight seal. And then I gave the machine a tune-up, so I replaced all the gaskets, like this one here, the group head gaskets, like this one and this. And then also I rebuilt the steam assembly with new gaskets and put a new sight glass here, along with its gaskets, and here on the cap. So I'm just going to pull a shot and show you that the machine is working. So this is our test coffee. It's not going to be perfectly dialed into this machine, but we should still get something pretty decent. For a second. It's a pretty small shot, but it's just to show the machine is working. And then I'll show you the steam here. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.